Hi, I'm Dr. Bridget here at Creative Wellness, and we're going to demonstrate one of the ways that we can adjust your neck. We have Janaea here. She works at our front desk and she just graduated. Congrats, Janaea.
Thank you.
You're moving to Grand Rapids now too, right?
Yes, I am.
And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Neck adjustments are a great way to help if you're dealing with headaches. Can help drain your sinuses. Sometimes you just sleep wrong and you just need that little oomph. All right, that's all we got for you today. You can schedule your appointment with us online.